Made a mistake and used the wrong clip in your project? Don't worry, you don't need to delete the clip and rebuild your entire edit. CapCut Mobile includes a replace feature that lets you swap clips in just a few seconds. This can save a lot of time, especially if you've already added transitions, text, effects, or other edits around that clip. To get started, open your project and find the clip you want to change. Tap the clip to select it. Next, look for the Replace option in the bottom toolbar. Once you tap it, CapCut will open your gallery. Simply choose the new video or photo you want to use. After confirming your selection, CapCut will instantly replace the original clip while keeping it in the same spot on the timeline. That's how to replace a clip easily in CapCut Mobile. It's one of the most useful tools for making quick changes without starting your edit from scratch.